Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your phone look good. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's go. Here's how my current home screen looks like. Kinda messy and unorganized, right? Yeah, today I'm going to change it and make it look aesthetic AF. I hope so. Step 1. Choose the color scheme that you want. You will have to decide on what color scheme that you want on your home screen. Is it purple, blue, pink, black? Or you can just ask yourself, what is your favorite color? If you cannot decide, you can look at some of the ideas on Pinterest. You can get ideas from here, as there are lots of people posting their home screen ideas there. For example, you can see here we have autumn theme, green theme, minimalist theme, astronomy theme, another green theme, Hello Kitty theme, and others. I decided that I want a blue color scheme. Step 2. Choose a wallpaper that matches with your color scheme. You can search for wallpapers through Pinterest too, or even Google and download the wallpaper. Oh, this beige one look kinda nice. Download and set as wallpaper. It already look kinda nice, right? Step 3. Rearranging apps and widgets. Now, just arrange the apps and widgets on your preference. I would like to divide the space between my social media and my studies. Page 1 for socials and page 2 for studies. Try it out to see if it is going to work. And adjust the transparency of the widgets. To add the pictures as a widget like you see on iPhones, you need to download an app called Simple Photo Widget from the Play Store. Open the app, select Add Widget, and tap to configure. Add your pics that match to your color scheme, okay? I found these pics at Pinterest too. Then adjust the size of them based on your liking. Also, for the photo widget, I like to cancel the white space and set the corner radius at 10% because it matches other Samsung widgets. Then, just repeat all this until you are satisfied. This is how it looks like after I've rearranged all my apps and widgets. Looks kinda good, right? Step 4. Change app icons. Note that through this you can only change the app icons on your home screen but not on the app itself. For this changing thingy, you need to download an icon changer app. I downloaded an app called Pure Icon Changer. It's also as easy as the first app. You just need to open the app, select the app that you want to change, select the picture that you want to change as your icon, and add it to your home screen. It's that easy. Then repeat the steps for all other apps. By the way, for the pictures of the icon, I got them from Pinterest too. Pinterest is very useful in this. You can search for the color icon that you want and tap on the creator, as most of them have a series of app icons with the same color. This makes them more matching, okay? I nearly forgot this last row of icons, oh my god. After you have settled all the app icons, you should see that your home screen is looking the best that it ever had. Okay, that is all for today's video everyone. Hope you can make one of your own version. Bye.